This is Toronto, the winter of 2013. Today is February 28th, and this is Kipling Street, Kipling Avenue. I just dropped my daughter, Debbie. See the old place full of snow. Full of snow. The snow this year is phenomenal. Seriously phenomenal. But we thank God for keeping us here. This is the plaza. And this is Kidron Valley Drive, where we live for the past 10 years. God bless you. God is the God of the snows and the summer. I'm just here to pick up my wife's dress. In this dry cleaner's place. God bless. Bye-bye. And the viewer is, the taker of the video is Pastor Amos Daddy.